Yeah, we need to fix this right now. What up everyone, Kara's Maggie here and welcome back to my channel where I encourage you to submerge yourself in culture and live meaningful lives. Now for today's video, it's a bit different in terms of setup. I'm in my bathroom and I got my robe on and I have on my head wrap and all that stuff. So basically I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. I haven't really been taking care of myself. I've been working and I need to pamper myself. And today, seeing that it's minus 2 digits outside, I have decided that I'm gonna give myself a spa day, a much deserved one. And in the meantime, I'm going to also be dropping some gems on you regarding some African beauty secrets, because these are things that I probably did while I was younger, which was passed down to me from my mother, and I didn't even notice how beneficial it was. So since I moved to Canada, I will say I haven't been taking care of my skin that well, and I haven't been keeping up with different skincare routine. When it comes on to winter, summer and fall, it's very different. So still learning that. Comment below if you can relate to the struggles of keeping up with a different skincare routine for the different seasons. As someone who came from the tropics, that was something I never had to worry about. I used like the same 3 products all the time and that was it. So yeah, I'm learning. The culture shock. By the way, check out that video if you haven't already. Video plug right there. Anyways, I am going to be cleansing my face first, and I'm actually using this cleanser, and I wasn't really a big fan of cleansers, but this one was gifted to me by Duval. I hope I pronounced it properly. And I've been using it for over a month now, and I've noticed how much it cleans my skin. It's not harsh on my skin like other cleansers that I've been using or cleaning brushes that I've been using. So if you want to treat yourself, especially because we're on a lockdown right now, we can't go and get facials and all that fancy stuff, look in my description box. I have provided a coupon or a promo code for you, Kara's Maggie 70, that you can get 70% off. Oh, sorry, 70% off. So it was 90 something dollars, I believe. With the coupon you can get it for $28. So go ahead, take the opportunity right now. You're welcome. Okay, let's get started. I don't have no fancy schmancy anything. This is the cleanser I've been using recently because it seems to be working for my skin as opposed to what I've been using before. So we're just gonna get a little bit on there, right there, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I need to damp my face. And let's go. So I really like this cleansing brush because it helps to really cleanse my face without being really harsh on the skin. The bristles are very gentle, so if you have sensitive skin, this is probably an option for you. Also, it's not just for washing your face, because this entire system comes with 4 interchangeable brushes, which you can use to give yourself a whole spa day's worth of other treatment while treating yourself and your skin. Again, link in my description box for the promo code 70% off. So good. Time to rinse. Looking a little bit better, fresher. Yes. So African secret number 1, Rhassoul clay, and the one I'm gonna be using is from Bloom Seed. If anyone has checked out my natural hair journey video, you would know that this is the product I've been using religiously in my hair, and lucky for me, you can actually use it on your face as well. So I'm gonna tell you in a bit the benefits of the clay on your face. Okay, so I got my clay in my bowl, mixing. Fun fact, did you know that Rhassoul clay is actually found in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco? Right? And it has been used by many different cultures for over thousands of years. It is known for its powerful cleansing ability, and the word Rhassoul is actually an Arabic term that means to wash. One of the biggest purpose of this clay is that it helps with detoxifying the skin. Can you guys see the difference in my face? I honestly can feel it because that clay had like peppermint and sage in it as well. So my face feels so nice and refreshed. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's next? What's next in the facial routine? Some people exfoliate. I mean, I haven't exfoliated in a while, so I'm actually going to be using this mixture that was recommended to me by my that word, okay? It's a combination of honey and cinnamon, and yeah, I'm gonna drop some knowledge on you on the benefits of cinnamon and honey on the face while I put this on my face. So there we go. Now, one thing to note is that cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka, and some of the benefits of cinnamon is that it helps with healing of acne, it helps to add moisture to the skin, it aids in the treatment of dry skin, and it also helps with the treatment of eczema. And when it's combined with honey, it makes a really great face mask to help with all of the stuff that I just mentioned just now. I'm actually gonna test out the exfoliator part of this kit here. I have no idea if I'm even doing this correctly, honestly. Is that how you do it? We'll just wash with our hands because I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like my face is glowing. Does it look like it's glowing to you? Comment below if I'm just fooling myself. It does feel lighter and less, you know, heavy and full of all that crap that I probably washed out. Yeah, cool. What's next in the routine? Okay, so we cleansed, we exfoliated, and I guess I'm just gonna go to moisturizing because I don't got no toner or anything like that. But fun fact, shea butter is actually great for helping to tone the skin, and it helps to remove stretch marks. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, do you use shea butter on your face or do you use it more on your body? I think I'll use it more on my body, not really my face. Anyways, I'm rambling. On to the next step. We're going to moisturize. So if you're like me, at one point you had a dream that you would take better care of your skin and you bought all these things and never used them. So we're just checking to make sure you know the expiry date. Yes, we're still good. 2021. Awesome. Which one should I use? We got tea tree. Is there aloe vera in here? I have shea. Oh, there's a shea butter one. Okay. We talked about this earlier. Okay. This is what we're gonna use because we want to moisturize right now. So yeah. Apply. Hopefully I don't mess it up. This looks very moisturizing. Okay, so carefully. No! Why? Luckily I have another one. Careful. Shea butter. This is extracted from the shea fruit, and this tree, it mainly grows in the western forest savannas of Africa. The name means life in the Mandinka language, which is a language that is native to Senegal, the Gambia, and Guinea. We have a karaoke party! Okay, I probably shouldn't talk this much because the mask is moving. Ooh, I can play one of my brother's songs. Hey, bro. Ooh. So they say you should pat. Basically let it seep into the skin. As you can see, this is very moisturizing. My face is quite moisturized. Thank you, face mask. Aloe vera. So this is a plant that's pretty much native to northern Africa but also southern Europe, and it is a very powerful natural skincare ingredient. It is believed that Cleopatra used aloe vera as a part of her daily skin routine. I need to start doing that. Due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, aloe vera is a common ingredient in natural African beauty products. Ooh, super moisturizing. Okay, and that's basically it. I don't have really a standard facial routine. I just follow the standard cleanse, exfoliate once a week, and moisturize. So if you have a specific way you do your facial routine, let me know in the comment section. I believe like for the Korean culture, they have like a 10-step skin routine. So maybe I'll do a video on that one day. We'll see. If you're interested, you let me know. I cater to the people, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you learned something, you were entertained, and that you felt relaxed with me, because I feel hella relaxed right now. And now I'm gonna go eat my dinner and have a merry day. Christmas is gone, Maggie, come on. Don't forget to do road and do things, and until next time, Maggie is out. Oh yeah, don't forget, 70% off, link in my description box.